There is quite a lot of opportunities that are available for unskilled workers in the UK. If you've been looking for opportunities to enable you to move as an unskilled worker to the UK and previously you've not been successful, please do watch this video till the end, because you'll be amazed by the amount of jobs that are available right now in the United Kingdom, and they're available and giving visa sponsorship to foreigners and immigrants and foreign workers. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. I do not take you for granted. United Kingdom is always, I know, having problems with immigration and changing rules from time to time, but there is a very amazing pathway that I want to introduce to you, where you can move to the UK, get jobs, unskilled jobs, mostly cleaning jobs, janitor jobs, and they're jobs that are going to give you visa sponsorship. Some of these pathway are, some of these companies or employers will give you a seasonal visa that they'll be renewing after every 6 months, or a seasonal visa that after 6 months they give you a work visa for 2 years. If these are the kind of opportunities you're looking out for, then please do watch the video till the end, and you're going to love this one. Remember, each and everything I share on my videos is always linked on the description box, so be always sure to check that out. Please do remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment if you have any. My email address is always open down below for you to ask any question. All the services I offer, either CV review, a one-on-one session, you'll also find them down below on the description box. Allow me to share my screen with you, because I know some of you, if not all of you, are willing and very excited to see what I bring. And I need to say this: under this pathway, you do not need to have a degree. High school diploma will suffice. You do not need to have any experience, and also you do not need any IELTS for you to be able to secure these visa sponsorship opportunities to the UK. Some of these jobs are available mostly in Scotland, and that is what I wanted us to look at. The first website is My Job Scotland. You'll find a lot of opportunities and jobs here, and you choose the one that you want, because there are quite a lot of them that are available. Public convenience cleaner, cleaning operative, and there are quite a lot of them. You just choose the one that you want to apply. Go and read on what is required of you as a job seeker, and how much they are paying. They're actually paying, like for these jobs, they're paying £12 per hour, and they require a public convenience cleaner at the Station Road Public Convenience. It will be 7 days on, 7 days off, 2 hours per day, Monday to Sunday, and as I said, they are offering £12 per hour, and they're giving you the email to apply or to call if you want to know more about these jobs. It is as straightforward as that, and as I said, this website has a lot of jobs that are available, and I want to go through each and everything again. As I said, these jobs will give you a seasonal worker visa, then after 6 or 9 months you get a work visa for an extra 2 years, or your employer will always renew for you the 6 months worker visa anytime you are available, or if you want to stick around to do the same job. There's another one that is available that is paying £11.89 per hour, and it is a permanent. No formal qualification is required. Ensure that all health and safety and COSHH regulations are there to implement materials and equipment practices. Ensure maintenance of equipment and stock levels. Local Scottish government living wage allowance is at least 11.89 euros. So the first job website that you find most of these jobs is My Job Scotland, and the other website is definitely the NHS Scotland website that has jobs all year round, jobs that give visa sponsorship. And all you need to do is come through this website, read as much as possible, and you can see there are more than 2,794 jobs that are available. And then when you go through each and every job, once you find a job that you want to apply for the jobs. I'm going to link the two websites on the description box, so that at your own free time you will go through all the jobs that are available. Until next time, be safe, keep safe. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see ya.